I gotta live till the mic turns off, but now I'm here, I cannot go soft. I found myself when the rest got lost. I'll be the last.
Hi everyone, today I just wanted to make a video where I'm going to explain my morning ritual. Why I'm doing that? Well, I wrote an article in my website Italiano Automatico where but I wrote the article in Italian because I've done that because I want to help people learning Italian through interesting material and something like that, you know. So what happened is that some people asked me if I could make a video where I could explain my morning ritual in English. So that's why I'm doing that. I'm very excited to do that because this ritual starting watching a video on YouTube. So I really hope that maybe watching this video for you can get you started in this process that can really change your life and your way of approaching things. Well, so first thing in the morning, I wake up at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. and wake up, but this is the most difficult part, especially at the beginning, because what you have to do is to put your phone, you have to put the phone very, very far from where you are. If you are in a bed here, you don't have to put the phone beside the bed here, next to the bed, because what you're going to do, if you're going to do that, you're going to take the phone and hit the snooze and you're going to sleep again. And I've done that for weeks and I couldn't understand why I was doing that, because I was feeling in the evening I'm going to wake up in the morning, and every single morning I was like that, I don't want to wake up, and I hit the snooze, the snooze button. And that wasn't cool. I lost a lot of weeks that way. One day maybe waking up and the other 3 days not waking up. That's so important. That is so important. So to put the phone far away. So the first step is done because you are outside the bed, and now you can really think about staying awake, and that's very important too. So I think that putting the phone far is okay, but if you want to make it more difficult, you can maybe put the phone in a box that is tied, something like that, to make it more difficult. But I've never used that technique, even if some people find that useful, very useful. So the first step is to put the phone far, and I wake up at 5 a.m. I haven't started to wake up at 5 a.m. because it's very early. At the beginning I started with the 6:30, 6 o'clock, 5:30, and now 5 a.m. because you know, I want to have more time in the morning to do my things, what can improve really the quality of my life, and even if my family actually think about me as a crazy one because I wake up so early, but they don't understand that this is so powerful, so powerful that you can really face the day in a completely different way, more positive, and I'm gonna explain you why you can do that if you wake up in the morning. So the second step when you wake up is to breathe. Breathing is so important because we need, the most important one actually is oxygen, because we can't live without oxygen for more than 1-2 minutes, without water not for more than 2-3 days or even more, but it depends on the situation, and you know. But without food we can't live for more than a week or two. So the categories are divided in 3. The most important one is oxygen, then there is water, and then there is food. This is a very important concept that you have to have clear in your mind because it's very, very important for the health, for the body, for everything. So you have to breathe, and to breathe in the right way, I read some books. I'm keeping on reading books to understand what is the better way to breathe, and so what I suggest you to do is to look for information about this subject, because if I'm gonna explain you how to breathe in this video, it's gonna take too long, to explain all the things. So if you're interested, just ask me in the comments, and I'm gonna make maybe a video where I try to explain more things about this subject. Just let me know. So third, I'm gonna wash my face while smiling. That's so important, because if you're going to see yourself in the mirror as happy and smiling, the simple fact of smiling generates a biological reaction, that makes you positive, more positive, think in a different way, and it's all about how you look at things. That's really all that. That's really that simple. And yeah, so another step is to smile in the mirror while washing your face, and just get started for a beautiful day. So next step, and all this is in 2 or 3 minutes that I do that, is to do 30 push-ups. That's so important, because when you are when you are awake, it's so important to give to your body some strength, to stay awake, because in the first 5 minutes it's difficult, especially at the beginning, and you have to do these push-ups to accelerate all your body functions, and that's so important. You do these push-ups, and you don't feel like to go back to bed, so it's very important. So next, 1 glass of water. Water is so important, because you need water. As I said, oxygen is the first thing, then there is water. You need to drink a glass of water just when you are awake, because your cells, I read it in the book that I talk about the other video, Change Your Breakfast, Change Your Life. So important, and I suggest you to read that book of Joseph McClendon. I'm reading that book for the 3rd time, I think, now. But it's really important to have clear some basic concepts that are very important for your health. Because I'm not a doctor, I'm not studying medicine, I'm studying these kind of things, and I think that is really important to look for information and basic concepts that can really shape your life, your body, your health, and this is the most important thing. And I think that because you know that I'm studying languages, and I want to learn a lot of languages and do a lot of things in my life. But if you don't have your health, if you don't have the energy, you don't have the power, the electricity to do that, that is all useless. I can't study languages going to eat at McDonald's or Burger King, or this junk food, or eating a lot of sugar, industrial sugar and snacks. I can't do that, because this could ruin all the things I want to achieve in my life. So that's so important to drink some water, and also reading that book of Joseph McClendon. That is really simple to understand, and that's really great. So next thing, incantations. Incantations are very important, and this is very simple. I do that just by reading something that I wrote in a book, like a little notebook like this one. As you can see, I wrote on it quotes, and this is very important. This is incredible, actually, because first thing in the morning, after drinking water and doing the first steps, I need to remind to myself why I'm doing that, why I'm doing these things. So I read maybe sentences, quotes of the people that I like to watch videos, and things like that. I make you an example, maybe of a quote of Les Brown, in order to be successful, you must be willing to do the things today others won't do, in order to have things tomorrow that others won't have. So first thing in the morning, I need a sentence like this to think about staying awake, you know, and other things as Eric Thomas. Every single day when you wake up, you've got two options. You can look at the clock and hit the snooze button and go back to bed and dream about what you want to have, what you want to be, or you can look at that snooze button, kick that clock and get up and go pursue your dreams. Or again, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. Thomas Edison. And yeah, that's really incredible. Or another one, somebody should tell us right at the start of our lives that we are dying. Then we might live life to the limit. Every minute of every day, do it, I say, do it. Whatever you want to do, do it now. There are only so many tomorrows. Michael Landon. So, this book, I'm fulfilling this book every day with different quotes and sentences. And this is so important, I think, because I strongly believe that you have to create your own world, you know, your world of positive thoughts, positive beliefs, and maybe to some could sound strange, but I really think that it works. It is working for me. I'm positive, and every single day I think about doing something that can take me another step towards my goal. No? So that's so important. So then, empowering EQ, empowering questions. This is so important. So again, because you have first thing in the morning, ask yourself the right questions to start the day in the right way. I mean, if you start the day thinking about why I have to go to school, why I have to go to get up, why I have to do this, is not so good. You have to prepare the right questions. So something like, what am I grateful about? What am I happy about? What am I passionate about? Excited about? And so answering these questions, our brain is created to answer some questions and create thoughts about that kind of questions. So that this is really very an incredible way to start the day in a different way, asking the right questions. It takes 2 minutes, just or 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. It depends on the time that you have. But this maybe seems a long process, but actually it's not that long. Is short or long or medium. It depends on the time that you have and what you like more of the steps. So then the driving force. Driving force is also very important, because what you have to do is to have clear in your mind what you want to be in your life, what you want to achieve in 10 years, 20 years, 5 years, 1 year, a month, a week, a day. And at the end of the day, you know, to check out everything. That's really important if you want to take control of your life. It's not for everybody, I understand that, and maybe you don't agree or something like that, but it's okay, because that's not for everybody. And but I think it's great, because you know, when you are clear about what you want to do in life and you write down everything, you just have to take the time to plan, to write down everything, to be clear, because it's not about the time that you are going to spend doing that, but the time that you are going to save in your future doing that. So planning is damn important, and you have to be also flexible. You don't have to be strict about that plan, and maybe that if it happens that you have to switch a little bit or swing here and there, you are going to be sad or something like that. No, you have to be flexible and adapt your plans to what you think, your changes, your life, and what happens. So even if you must be flexible, to be flexible you have to have you've got to have a basic plan, a plan for your life. At the beginning, maybe you can be not so specific, just to have it, but then try to be even more specific every single day about what you want to have, and that's great, really, what can do for you this process. So after I finish this process of maybe 10 minutes or more, it depends, I do the other 30 push-ups before having breakfast. Before having breakfast, I do my other 30 push-ups, and for breakfast, I'm trying to eat different kind of things. Has been something like 1 month that I'm trying to change how I eat and what I eat, because I read that book that really changed my way of thinking about food. And so what I try to eat is fruit, vegetables, and soy milk, and these kind of things that are not snacks or things full of sugar. And yeah, just to change on fruit, blends or smoothies, vegetables, and I'm trying to understand what is better for me, and I strongly suggest you to do the same, to try these foods, blending them, making smoothies, and understand what is better for you. There is no strict rules about that. Everybody suggests to try it out and understand what it is better for you. So about blends, I also bought a book where they simply show you the best recipes that you can do as blending or smoothing, smoothies, juices and smoothies. And yeah, just to know the ingredients, because to have a taste that is not so bad, because blending and juicing vegetables so randomly maybe is difficult to find the right taste that tastes good, and I needed this book, so I also bought another one that is the Bible of the Juicing Bible, 2nd edition. So I'm pretty serious about that. I really want to do that, even if my mother thinks I'm crazy. Okay, I want to drink green juices to detoxification, feeling better, more energy, and to keep on doing what I'm doing. So next step is to eat the breakfast in 20 minutes, not less. You don't have to be too fast eating, because all the process starts in your mouth, and so is very, very, very important, fundamental to chew a lot of times, and the whole process starts there with salivation, and that's really important. To eat breakfast with calm, and that's great for your digestion, and also to drink an aloe drink before, or something like this to make your digestion even easier, And yes, after that, my favorite one, I think, is to read my purpose for life. Because, as I said, I have done the process of driving force for 2 minutes before, and as I did this process, I need to have a purpose in life, and it is like that maybe. You have to write all the things that you want to do in life, what you want to be, things like that, to live to the fullest. And at the end, what really is important are the lives that we have touched and the memories that we have created along the way. Or I also want to ensure that my body reflects the soul I have inside. Or to live my life on my terms and not letting anyone to get me down. Just learn and go on. Making mistakes and learn from them. Go on. Keep moving. Don't stop. To be a role model, remember the legacy. To attract success with the person I become. To step outside my comfort zone every time I can. Or maybe to be happy, of value, fun, cheerful, to meet people, to understand different cultures, learn languages, to feel proud and excited about my life, thinking about my future, focusing on what is positive in my life, and pushing away my negative thoughts whenever I start to think negatively. Then you have to create your identity. That is, for example, I love to discover nature, mountains, ocean, sunshine, rain. I'm a source of powerful inspiration to thousands of people. I'm someone you can count on to do the right things. I live with joy, inspiration, creator of possibilities, options, solutions, visions. And you have to write all the things that you want to be in the future, want to be now, and you must believe what you write is true. Because if you don't really believe about that, you're not going to achieve it, and making the steps, taking the steps to achieve what you want to do in life. So it's really important to have a purpose that you really find as true for yourself, and before the purpose, I have here also my life plan shortly, my vision for the future. It is also my fuel for the future, because reading it is it's really great in the morning. But even if I don't read it every morning, maybe the evening before, and I think about how I will be in the future. And this really maybe sounds strange, weird for someone, but I understand you, because in the past, when I started to watch video like this one that I'm making, explaining things like visions, thinking about your future or something like that, I was a little skeptic, because I was thinking about how can thinking about these things change your life, how can this change your life just by writing down things that you want. But what happens is that by writing down things that you want and you want to be, everything starts to be real, and this is the first step. Then you go to the years, then the months, and the weeks, the days, and everything is real, even more real, and that's great, really. You're going to achieve what you really want, because just opening the website of Italiano Automatico, at the beginning I was thinking about all the things, searching for the website, writing articles, making videos. It was all so much to me, and I couldn't do that. But if you take single steps and you take them in little parts, you start to see it in a better way and affordable way, and that's really great. And to do that, you also, I strongly believe that you must start to read. Read is so important, to think with your mind. If you watch television, you are in a passive way, and I notice that thing. Every time I watch television now, I see that I'm in a passive way, and when I read books, I'm in a completely different way, analyzing, thinking with my brain, reading at my speed, slow or fast, and analyzing the words, and also reading in English. That I'm Italian is very helpful also for my improvement in the language. So that's great. And something about my life plan is maybe to be a person who impacts thousands of lives, to help people learning Italian by developing their minds, lives, and creating a better world, and pushing, inspiring, motivating everyone who loves living, learning languages, reading, running, swimming, making mistakes, to learn from them, to live with joy, to fulfill my life with passion, to avoid normal people's thoughts that are realistic or demotivating, or that don't have dreams, goals, that live their life in a passive way, just, you know, drinking maybe too much alcohol, smoking, and you know, demotivated. Avoid these kind of people, because you are the media of the 5 people that you stay with for the most of the time. So if you spend a lot of time with the people that are passionate about what they are doing, with people that are passionate about life, positive, you are going to be like them. And that's great how it works. And life is too short for being angry, sad, unhappy, bored. Have a great reputation, be respected for the person I am. Create inspiring videos, photos, quotes, articles. And yeah, also you have to aim very high. You have to aim very high, something that watching it can really inspire you. So you have to aim high. That's why I wrote things like also write bestsellers that will change people's lives, or having a private beach and living in my dream house in California, or having an incredible family that keeps on traveling the world, learning, enjoying life, and you know, just thinking about that gets me excited, you know. And yes, I have to thank so much also Project Life Mastery that made a video like the one I'm making about you know, morning ritual, because the video gave me so many ideas that I also used to create my life plan. And because yeah, I think that they are great, really, and you have to write your own life plan. And while you are a powerful thing is that while you are reading your life plan, you have to create an anchor with maybe a song or some songs that you really like, and also you have to write on paper all the positive experiences of your life, and while you are listening to a song, you just go through all these positive things, your life plan, and you just do that, thinking about that things, creating a vision, closing your eyes, and while listening to the song. I personally use this song that I'm gonna make you listen for 1 minute.
Till the mic turns off, but now I'm here, I cannot go soft. I found myself when the rest got lost. I'll be the last one that they write off.
And yeah, just listening, while I'm listening to the song, I'm going through the process of reading the positive experiences of my life, my friends, my travels, my passions, what I want to do for the future, my vision. And whenever you listen to that song, again, maybe you are on the bus, you are first thing in the morning, you have an anchor related to the vision, the positive things, and the song. So you have a tool that is free to you to use every single moment of the day. When you feel a little bit down, you listen to the song and you automatically start to think positively, feel better. And to empower the anchor, you just have also to make it, while listening to the song, think about these things, smiling, you know, you smile, and so everything is linked, and everything is associated to the positive feeling. You can also say maybe great, magnificent, or something like that, while smiling, listen to the song, thinking about the future, and everything links. And you create a chain of positive beliefs, positive thinking that you can use every single day of your life to get in a positive mood. You have to choose happiness. You have to choose happiness, and strongly suggest to read this book, Get Happy Now, of Joseph McClendon. He explains how happiness works. I've been reading this book for 3 times now. Is the 4th, and really, it's gonna change the way you think about every book about personal development. A lot of books there are that can change the way you think and change you live your life. And I don't understand why people don't read them. That's so powerful. So I strongly suggest this book, Get Happy Now, as the other book of Joseph McClendon. This guy is really great. That wrote, Change Your Breakfast, Change Your Life, that is free on the internet, no? And yes, and this, I do that every single morning after reading my purpose, or just not reading the purpose and going through reading books, positive books. And I read books as Get Happy Now, or maybe Energy, an Italian book of Roy Martina and Roberto Re, that explains you things about how we work. We work as humans, as how to have more energy, eating more vegetables, food, right food, breathing, drinking water, and doing exercise. There are so many things to do to have energy, and so really I suggest to find books that you can find easily in your libraries about this subject, and about positive thoughts, positive living, no? And yeah, I read books also as this one, maybe Eric Thomas, The Secret to Success is a story of this man. Eric Thomas, I really suggest to find him on YouTube, that makes motivational speech or something like that. That starting, it was homeless, he started with nothing, and did a lot of things to achieve what he wanted in life. I haven't started it yet, but I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube of him, and so I really want to start this book as soon as I finish, to reread Get Happy Now. And as you can see, this t-shirt, maybe you have noticed that there is right, when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful on the back. And I think it's so powerful. It's a t-shirt that I ordered on his website. And you have to create a kind of a way of living, a positive way of living, because succeeding is not just having money, but enjoying the process, enjoying meeting new people, sharing ideas, living life in a passionate way, and doing exercise, waking up in the morning, say yes, I want to get something done this day, and at the end of the day you say I've done something that can make me better, can make me nearer to my goals, and that's really great, because really, if you do that, you can't feel in a negative way. I don't understand why there are a lot of people, or maybe I understand why there are a lot of people that think negatively, think in a negative way, and that feel bad, something like that. It's just because they don't they don't read so many positive positive books. They don't watch so many things on the internet that are positive as videos. They don't create their life, because just watching, reading newspapers, watching the news, and these kind of things. In the morning maybe someone can believe that you have to understand and know what's going on in the world. But what I think is that if there is really something important, or my mother, or either my brother, my mother, or my father, or everybody else on Facebook should tell or write the news, that are very important. So I don't need to watch reading newspapers or things like that. I prefer to get my head in positive books, such as, I don't know, this book of Anthony Robbins, Awaken the Giant Within You, Awaken the Giant Within, and yeah, there is 500 pages of positive things, or Think Big of Donald Trump, or Piense y hágase rico of Napoleon Hill, that is in Spanish, because I read the books in 5 different languages depending on the day, or books of Zig Ziglar, or also books that can help you to understand how to achieve financial freedom, because I strongly believe that everybody cares also about money, because with money you are free, you can do what you want. So it's also important to understand how money works, and how to achieve financial freedom, not at the expense of others, but just improving yourself, because what I'm doing with Italiano Automatico is completely free, and just because I want to find a way to be financially free, but not at the expense of others, but just finding a way to make money in a different way. Maybe I don't know, advertisements, something like that. But books like Robert T. Kiyosaki Guide to Investing are really helpful, because you understand how to invest your money, and not just giving money to the banks. That in this period is better if you understand how to invest your money, how money work, and also books as internet reaches to people, where they are explaining a lot of things about how to make money maybe on the internet, how to improve quality of your life, making passive incomes. There are a lot of people that are making passive incomes, and I'm also interested in that thing. I don't want to lie, I'm interested also in creating some passive incomes or something like that, to improve the quality of my life for financial freedom. And I suggest everybody to look for information to create their own life financially free. The worst thing in life is to live your every day thinking about how to make money to live and to eat. I think that's awful. That's why I'm investing in me, in my mind, reading books. I don't want to have financial problems in my future. And that's really important to me. You have to find ways to improve your mind, to invest in your body, to be healthy, to have energy. And also books of Les Brown, speaking about live your dreams. I have a lot of different subjects, because I don't want to be too strict on a subject, just knowing the opinion of a man that maybe is not okay to just have one idea. You have to have different ideas, to be open-minded, and then choose the ideas that work better for you. If an idea is not good for you, you just throw away the book and read another one. You'll find a lot of ideas, a lot of things. You start to be aware of what you are, and aware of why people behave in a certain way, and all is completely different. You can change your own life. You can revolutionize your life. Then books as Inspiration of Dr. Wayne Dyer, because I also think that spirituality and relaxing and feeling good with peace is also important. So I like to read also, that book is in French. I like to read them also, to find your inner peace. These kind of things is also good to understand that things. So really, reading books is the last part that I go through before going to school, because on the bus I put my headphones on and go ahead with positive things in Spanish, French, Romanian and English. So I fulfill my mind with positive thoughts, and and in the book Get Happy Now is explained that you have to change your nervous system because we are made to be happy, and it's just a choice. You can live your life independently of things that you are going to face in a happier way, because you know in the deep that you're going to overcome the difficulties and setbacks. But you have to train your mind, influencing your mind every single day. You can't maybe just watch a video, just read a book, and then you're not going to do nothing forever. No, you can't do that. You have to keep on adding pieces to the puzzle, no? To create your feelings, your happiness, and that's really that simple, no? And that's also important for me. A thing that I like to do. I'm reading a lot of books, as you can see, and I like to divide maybe the concepts in different books, notebooks, so that I have the main ideas in these notebooks. For example, here I have happiness, gym, train your mind for the mind, full fuel for my life. And this is a book where I write all the things about happiness, how it works, how to create happiness in an easiest way, and to live life better. So there are mostly things about the book Get Happy Now, but also quotes that are really inspiring about happiness, and things like quotes like si estás deprimido. I'm going to read it in Spanish because I wrote it in Spanish. Si estás deprimido, estás viviendo en el pasado. Si estás ansioso, estás viviendo en el futuro. Si estás en paz, si estás feliz, estás viviendo en el presente. And in fact, there is right. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. But if you are in peace, if you are happy, you are living in the present. So that's so important. Then solution of the neuro-linguistic program. Every solution that I find on books that make neuro-linguistic program, if you don't know, is just a way that we can change our beliefs, our thoughts, going through some really simple processes, some really simple process that are really simple that you can find in books about NLP. It's a science that, psychology science that was created in, started to exist in the 70s, I think, something like that. And so I write down all the solution here. Then a book about food. I write all the things that I discover about food, how to combine foods, proteins, or water, how to breathe better, how to use juices, blends, how to blend things. And yeah, confidence book. I used to be not so confident, and I had some problems with confidence, so I wrote all the solutions here. And every time I think about avoiding a challenge or something like that because I'm afraid, I'm going to read these ideas and I say, Jesus, that's why I want to do that, and yeah, I go ahead. And this is the most important, another very important book. Notebook. Every single Saturday I write how the week has gone, because I try to do that daily, but it was too difficult for me every day to write things. So every Saturday I write things down, how the week has gone, what I have achieved, why I'm happy, what I have to do in next week, and yeah, writing down problems also and solutions make you think in an objective way, and that's great. So it has been a long video, so I would like to say plenty of things again, much more, but it will be too long. So if you have any questions about these things, books or ideas, I will really enjoy to share with you these things in another video. other videos, and I hope you don't bother if I speak about these things, because I'm really passionate about that. I want to improve the quality of people's lives, my friends' lives, my life, and the more you give, the more you get. So I would like to thank you so much. If you have watched the video up to this point, I think I don't know how to thank you. Thank you so much. It means that you found this interesting and helpful. So really, thank you so much, and see you in the next videos. And I hope you enjoyed it. And bye bye. Thank you again.
Found myself when the rest got lost. I'll be the last one that they write off.
I know we're up and coming, but I feel as if we made it. Imagination is greater than public education. Quotations, I'm just saying, never let your dreams be taken. Take your hatred, build it up and bring it down as motivation. Success is waiting.